This extension we're building for the back of the fifth wheel for storage, using some OSB for the back board and probably the floor, even though we have 2x4s, the treated 2x4s. So this is going to be our back. It's going to slide right in here, and then we'll get ready to start attaching the front piece, which is the front, and the lid is going to be this siding, this finished siding, so it looks nice and we can paint it if we want to. Okay, now we have our back piece on OSB. We're going to paint this eventually, but put the slick side to the back. We'll paint the whole thing. And then we used 1x2 that we screwed on from the back side of the OSB and then straight down into the 2x4 on the rack. Here's our back piece. This is going to stand up across the back. We're going to go ahead and run glue all the way along the back here, and this will be screwed from this side right into this. What is this, like a 2x6? We'll drill a couple holes in this. That way we can run a line of glue and then put a couple screws just to hold it in place and then get everything tightened down. Alright, we've got a line of using Gorilla Glue, construction style glue. We've got that all on there. We're ready to drop this back piece on and start putting some screws into it. Here's our back board. So that's what it looks like on the inside. We're going to put a floor on it when we're done. But it's this is about 24 inches here, and on this side about 17 inches, so that we have a nice slope for the rain runoff, and yeah, just make it look better. I'm also going to run lights, additional lights, just attached to these and mount them down at the base there so that we have lights on the back too. So I have one of my side pieces on. I'm using the OSB for the side. Since I'm going to paint it all, I didn't want to buy an extra one of these siding pieces, $50 something, but I've got it screwed to the bottom, and then I'm going to put a 1x2 or whatever we have here in the corners to bring those together. I've got my sides on, the back and the other side. This is the top. I have it upside down, so we've got it cut to the right measurements, and this is going to be the inside part, but we're going to put these little 1x1s along the edge because it's going to fit right around the outside of the box. Okay, we've got it pretty much together now, so we left ourselves a nice lip on the back here. Make sure that no rain or snow can drop in there. I haven't put any hinges on it yet, but these pieces of wood we're going to put right here underneath, and they'll fit right into that groove, and that'll stabilize the front, give us a lot of strength on the front. Okay, we've got our lid on, and we have the 1x1s going down both sides. Underneath we have those other pieces of wood, so it fits on there nice and snug. I'm going to go all the way across with these woods all the way across the front, and then we're going to put some kind of a base in there. We're not sure yet, just maybe some plywood and a couple of hinges. It's perfect.